Hello everyone, my name is Azril with the matrix number of BB22110697. Today I'm going to make a review on Ajazz AK33 gaming mechanical keyboard. This is one of the best budget gaming mechanical keyboard on the market. This keyboard has an ergonomic design, full keys anti-ghosting, and it got 82 keys. They also provide you a USB cable. This is the specification of the Ajazz AK33 keyboard. This keyboard has built-in black switches. It provides clicky feedback and excellent keystroke feeling. A professional standard equipment for typists and game player. This is the sound of the keys. This keyboard provides you a durable USB cable, USB plug and play, and no driver needed. The durable USB cable and gold-plated connector ensures signals being transferred accurately, great performance in anti-interference. It is suitable for Windows 7, 8, 10 and above, Windows XP, iOS system computer, notebook and desktop. A non-slip foot pads on the bottom protect the keyboard from slipping and improve the stability of the keyboard. Here is a little bit of gameplay. In conclusion, I will say that this keyboard is really worth having, with a good quality and a cheap price range starting from 75 ringgits to 116.